Hey, it's Shay here again, and I know you are probably looking for ways to make money online because you clicked on this video. I've been helping new and experienced students do that for many years now, and I know I can do the same for you. And just as I do currently for my students, whenever I start a brand new campaign making me money right now, I show my students the full details of exactly what I did. Because it motivates them to do the same. I continuously want to prove the fact that it is possible for anybody who follows someone's instructions, who knows what they're doing, that they can make money online as well. And again, I'm sure you're trying to do the same thing. That's why you clicked on this video, and that's why you're still watching right now. Because I'm going to show you just a quick brand new campaign that I just recently started. It's already making $250 per day on average, and I've shown the inner workings of the entire campaign just a couple days ago to my students. But I just want to show you this one right now, just something extra special that I'm doing so you can see exactly what, again, usually only my students get to see. So I'm just here in the network that I use right now. This is just one of the many networks that I use to make money online. So it's just defaulted to today. And as I said, it's only a new campaign. So I just want to go back to the 8th. So I'm just going to choose the 8th of May. And we're on today, the 11th of May. Alright, so I'm just going to set that day, click run. And as you can see now, it's just loaded up the past few days here, and I just want to explain a few things here just quickly. I'm not going to go super into depth here. If you're a beginner, that's okay. You may not understand some of these things just yet, but I really want to show you and help you understand these simple marketing techniques and methods that we use all the time. So for this campaign specifically, I'm running one single traffic source, and whenever a visitor clicks through my link, it roughly splits the traffic out amongst multiple offers, as you can see here. So these two in red, or the light pinkish reddish color here, these are the campaigns that are standing out among the others. The offers, I should say. The offers in the campaign. These are the offers that are standing out the most. This one here, as you can see here, this bottom one didn't earn as much, hasn't yet. Sometimes it could be come back to me later and be more successful down the track. But as you can see, they've almost generated closely, roughly about the same amount of clicks. But you can see the earnings difference. Okay, so 358 there, 295, almost another 300, and this one's down at 43. So I definitely wouldn't call that one a winner. So this is why now I'm mainly focusing on these two offers. And when I started this campaign, it was late at night on the 8th. So I can't even call that a full day. Alright, probably barely a quarter of the day on the 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and today is the 11th, and we are just not even quite at midday yet. So just before 11 a.m. right now. So if we average that out, it's around $250 per day average. And as I said, my students get the inner workings of this campaign, exactly where I'm pulling the traffic, the ads, the network where I'm running the ads. Everything I do is provided to my students, and I want to give you access to this as well. You can get access to not only this campaign, but many, many more. And it only takes 2 simple steps to get started right now. All you have to do to take action is click the link in the description right now. You'll see the link right at the top, the bit.ly link right there, just a quick link to get over to my site. So just click that right now, and I'm actually going to go to my site right now as well, so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. And so this is my site right here, okay? I'm on my site. This is exactly what you'll see when you click the link in the description right now. So do that now, and then just enter your best email address right here. Then click the instant access button here, and that's all there is to it. After that, check your inbox for an email from me. You'll see my welcome email, and in that I'm going to have a bunch of information and secret things that I usually only keep for my students. I'm going to give you a sneak peek early on to some of the things that I'm doing, because I want to help you also get to your $250 plus per day campaigns. And maybe you are only just starting out. Maybe you're looking to make your first dollar online. That's what I'm here to help you do as well. So let's get you there. Click the link in the description right now. Take action. Then once you get to my site right here, enter your email, click the button to get instant access now, and I'll talk to you really soon.